Hello everyone, Simon from myfirstmagicwave.com. I'm making this a small video about yen and yen index and yen pairs, by the way. So let's get started. This video, actually I made a video a couple of days ago. I think it's on the 26th about the same topic, yen index and yen pairs, so where they're going. Let me see if I have it here on. Yeah, this is the one. Okay, so see there's Forex where yen pairs like pound, yen, euro, yen, Aussie yen, and CAD yen might be going this week. So what happened to that? Let's go over with it one by one. So this is the chart I showed, yen index monthly chart, right? And saying that it's bouncing and going up. And after that, let me see if I can. I have a weekly chart here. Yes, so this is the weekly chart I made saying that on the 26th, right? This was the direction. And I wrote down here that all yen pairs will go up, right? So that's what happened because yen index going up, yen gets weaker, and all yen is always on the right hand side of each and every pair. So when yen index goes up, yen gets weaker, and all yen pair goes up. Now, yen has like 5, 6, or 7 different pairs. So what will happen is that not all the other currencies also react, right? Some will get weaker, some will get strong against yen. So sometimes what happens is there are 7 pairs, let's say maybe 2 or 3 or 4 is going to give you nice entries, and the rest will not give you the entry. That's the beauty of watching the index, so that you can at least catch 2 or 3 good trades. If not all of them give you the entries. So let me see if so this is so what happened. I was able to catch this pound yen, and by the way, I've showed the pound yen chart as well, weekly chart, that is was ready to bounce, right? So on the 27th, the next day, this is the one, buy order here. You see that buy order, right? And then 70 pip, nice and clean. So this is the one gave me the setup, and then Aussie yen out of the all those pairs, and beautiful. This was before, but it was a nice trade here as well. And this is the one on the 27th. So I got those two. 28 today was USD. USD got, I've made another video that USD gonna get it strong, and Euro USD, Pound USD, they will drop. So Pound USD, I got a nice trade today for 100 pip plus. That I will show in the next video. But you see, not only this, but let me show you that all the other, let's say for example, other yen pairs, did they go up or no? Right, that's the thing. So let's take a look at this euro yen, for example. What happened to euro yen between 27 and 28? So you can see here on this is what happened. You see that? This is the 27. 24, and then weekend came, and this thing from 27 on until now, it's keep going to the upside. But you can easily see that on a 20-minute chart, there is no entry. It didn't give me any entry, so I didn't take any trade. That's the beauty about my setup, that if I don't have a setup, no trade. Frankie yen, what happened to that? And you see it went up, but then again it came down today, right? So this is the 27 here. It went up, but now what happened is that Frankie got very weak and it came down here. And also yen is retracing. I'll show you later. What happened? Other CAD yen, right? I said CAD yen. Where the heck is CAD yen? Oh, here. Okay. CAD yen will go up. So let's see if it went up. And you'll see this is the CAD yen 40-minute chart. Here's the 20-minute chart. Now, CAD yen, see this entry, this is a beautiful entry, but it is on the last Friday, right? So over the weekend, I made that video, and after that, no entry whatsoever. Now, here, this little wick and this little wick, these are the 7-minute entry. But since I didn't show any scenario in that video, I didn't take the 7-minute entries anyway. But today I took the 7-minute entry in pound USD. I'll show you in a minute that one. But yeah, if 20-minute don't give the entry, 7-minute will. But you have to be watching very, very closely all of those charts, 20-minute and 7-minute, and all the relative charts. Means like all the yen pairs. So it's not that easy. But yeah, 20-minute chart didn't give me the entry, so on this one, but they all went up. That's the idea that I'm showing you, that this is the beauty of watching the yen. Now, Nuzi yen, what happened to that? Even though Nuzi got weak as well, but let's see. I didn't even check Nuzi yen. So this is 23rd. Yeah, like I said, the Nuzi got very weak as well. Okay. And that's why Nuzi got weaker, yen got weaker, this pair stays there. This is a 40-minute chart, by the way, so this is what happened to this. This is a Friday. It came down here, 24, and 24 to 29. So this pair didn't move whatsoever. Now, USD yen, remember, USD was supposed to get strong, and yen supposed to get weaker. Then what will happen to USD yen? It will fly, right? It should fly. So let's see what happens. USD yen, and you see the 20-minute chart. This is what happened to that 20-minute chart. This is 40-minute chart. So this is the one basically went bazooka. But the thing is that it never gave me any entry. So the only pairs gave me the entry was pound yen and Aussie yen, and I took both of them for more than 200 pips. Okay, so this is how it is. Now yen index probably gonna retrace a little bit, or now I don't know. Let's see. Let's go take a look at the yen index again. Just wanted to show you that it behaved exactly. But this thing has a long way to go. So maybe the next, you see, this is straight big move. So it was doing like that already. Went up, came down, went up, came down. Now it's time to go up, but not in a straight line. So it went up. It's gonna come down here a little bit and then go up. So we have to be very careful now. So this is yen index and yen pairs. Like I said, that I cash out 2 of these, pound yen, very neat and clean, and I only take clean setup. That's it, simple as that. 4 conditions, and if they meet, yellow has to be above the black for long, and this is all the way down, going up, price make it a higher low, red candle turn blue, I open the trade here, and I put my SL here. Now, there was a comment that all I'm showing is my winning trades and not the losing trades. So if I tell you what, this one, if it comes back right from there when I open the trade and take my SL out, my trade is closed here. There is nothing to show. It's not there. How do I show you that, yeah, there was a trade? And even if I show you, right, what good is going to do to you? That there was, oh, I lost 25 pip here. I'm not here to teach anyone how to lose. Or take the losing trades. These losings, sometimes what happens, see, here, since this yellow went above the black, only entries were this one and this one and this one. I took this one, positive. I didn't take this one because I was in the trade already. I closed this one somewhere here, right? But if I had taken, I wouldn't be having my SL hit. And this one also, my SL never got hit. So where do I lose here? Can you see? And even coming down, this is a picture. So most of the time, that's what happens. Let me show you another chart, very interesting chart. And I'm going to post that. This probably this one. Yesterday chart. Look at that. All right. Now, the entries. I took the first entry here on September 22nd, right? Price never went and hit my SL. So that was a good trade. Now, this indicator all the way up, but this here, notice that price never touched the yellow line, so no entry here. Here, price touched the yellow line, blue candle turns red, and I made an entry here, and that was a trade. and this is the entry. In between, there is no entry. There was no entry. From here to here, there was no entry. Again, this one, the yellow is too far from the red line, and price didn't touch the yellow, so no entry here. But the price went inside, and here's the entry again. This entry, and now price never went up and hit my SL. All very good trade, right? And then again here for 60 pip here. This was, it's like 4 beautiful good trade, and this system do not give you any false entry. Very few times what happens is that if I take the entry here and price continue going to the upside and I lose 25 pips. But sometimes, most of the time, what happens is that the price comes down a little bit and I move my SL to from 25 to 15 pip. Then it goes up and hit my SL. Sometimes my SL hit for 10 pip, 15 pip, sometimes 5. Most of the time, break even, right? Very few times that it goes back right after my entry and then hit my SL for full 25 pip. Even though if that happened, I lose only 25 pip. But look at my each and every winning trade. Like, let me show you before EC. I have it EC here on 26. Look at that. That's 8 for 80 pip. Remember? Now, if this one is right here, I'll show you. See that? And this one before that, I'll show you. EC. Right there. So it's everything systematic, and you don't have a chance to lose much if you play right. Okay, it's a lot of times. But now you'll see that, okay, it's a long, short. It's a lot of places like here, for example, right? Timing also has to do this with this strategy. Like, what is the time of the entry? It's very important. So that's why when you subscribe, you learn everything, all the things that when the volume comes, then the price, then the setup plays out 90% of the time. But if you try, even if you see a setup, but it's outside our volume time, we don't take it. Simple as that. So this is why I just wanted to show, because somebody comment that I'm just showing all my winning trades. What else? That's what I have, and then a few SL hit. They are so minimum that it's just not worth showing. You want me to show make all this chart and then there is no trade here because it's already closed. My SL is hit. Here I know that I'm 50 pip into the trade, and then here, for example, like I'm 80 pip into the trade, and I decided that it might retrace now enough, and the daily range has to do with my closing the trades, daily range. Okay, so obviously when my subscribers they understand it because I teach them. So timing, zoning, volume time, and the daily range for the target. Those are also very, very important. Okay, you see this dotted white line? This is the daily open line. The price opens up here, and then it went up, and then it's coming down here. So it will travel according to the daily range, very close to the daily range. So we need to calculate the daily range from top to bottom, that how far it goes. And when it comes to to a certain level, run, close your trade and run, because it's going to retrace after that. Right? So this is how it is. I just wanted to show you guys, and then maybe next video I'll show you that when I said US dollar index is going to get strong and those pairs will react to it, what happened and how I got the pound USD short today. For actually, basically, the pound USD has something to do with the news. Pound news. Pound got hit today, and there was a lot of problem there right now. Petroleum problem and all that. Gas stations are getting closed and all that. Truck driver shortage and something like that. I'm not sure, but there is some kind of problem. Then pound is getting hit and getting weaker. So all pound pair are gonna go down. Maybe tomorrow again, tonight, pound pair is gonna go down. So be careful, be ready. I'll be ready, right? So I had those 2 trades to the downside. I'll show you in the next video: pound Aussie and pound USD. Beautiful, beautiful trades. All right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful rest of the trading week.